Okay.
Well, myself, Raj Kumar Sharma. I am the founder and national president for Indo-Latin American Chamber of Commerce. On my left, my executive director, Mr. Vaibhav Sharma. On my left, on my right is the executive director, Mr. Vaibhav Sharma. On my left, Ms. Shivani, who is the coordinator among all the offices. And we are here to open the Indo-Latin American Chamber South India chapter. That's what the meeting is here, what we are doing for the trade. And what we are, that's what we have briefed over here. And I am ready to take your questions or anything, whatever you feel like to reply.
What is the present turnover trade between India and Latin America?
As on date in March last financial year 2024-25, it was around 20 billion approx.
What is the sectors?
Sectors.
Yes.
Primarily sector is the pharmaceutical, followed by the engineering goods, agricultural products, textiles, automobiles, IT sectors.
Minerals is also one sector that is evolving. India is looking forward towards Argentina, Bolivia and Chile for the electric vehicle plan in India, because the lithium and other minerals, they are quite abundantly available in these regions.
So what kind of opportunities for the entrepreneurs in India?
Well, as I said, the total Latin American imports, India is contributing only 2%. So now you can understand what the opportunity is there. N number of opportunities are there, and India can catch the opportunity or click the opportunity in these products, what I said earlier. So plenty of opportunity for the Indian businessmen, and we as the Indo-Latin American Chamber of Commerce here to assist the trade how to grow their business in that countries.
Since you have mentioned about rare earth minerals, how will it be mutually beneficial between the Latin American countries and India?
See,
Okay,
rare earth minerals is the need of the hour. Okay, everyone is looking towards electric vehicles, and as your question, to answer your question, how it will be mutually beneficial, Latin American countries are looking forward to export their strengths, and India is looking forward to import from these countries, because we want a multipolar world. We are not looking for a unipolar world that was earlier United States of America or maybe the European Union. Now we are looking for a multipolar world, so that will be mutually beneficial for India. They will import from the different continent of the world, and for Latin America they will get a great market, because India is 1.4 billion today.
It is in positive balance, it is in favor of trade deficit or gains?
Sorry, no, it is, I mean, looking forward, it will always be in a trade positive aspect only.
No, you mean to say the trade balance is as on date in favor of India.
As on date, it is in
Favor of
favor of
India.
India, but we are looking for a mutual partnership and relations with Latin America.
Let's talk about South India Chamber. What role of the South India Chamber?
Okay, I'll tell you. See, South India is very important and very strategically located. You know, all the three major seaports are here where the mother vessel comes in, like Chennai, like Cochin, like Tuticorin. It is well connected in Southeast Asia also. And we were lagging behind for the South India chapter, and over a period of time we could not be able to promote the South India. So luckily, by the grace of God, we got opportunity. We got the right person to represent as Mr. Saktavel, who will be South India President, and headquarters will be here in Chennai. So we decided to promote this thing, considering the strategic location and value of the South India.
About this chapter inauguration, who are the ambassadors came?
Okay, chief guest was from the Uruguay, followed by Paraguay, Venezuela, Cuba, Argentina, Peru, Chile, and El Salvador.
Honduras as well.
There were
Honduras as well.
9 ambassadors from different countries. Yeah.
Any other questions you have?
Yeah, is there any trade deal coming up?
Well, we are going to sign the MOU with some companies over here, but that will be a kind of understanding that what we will do in future. There is a possibility we are planning to bring the investment of close to $40 million here in South India region, particularly in Tamil Nadu.
That is a target you are fixing.
Target.
That is a target.
target.
Currently, to answer your question, we are having a PTA, preferential trade agreement with the Latin American region, but obviously we are targeting for the FTA, and that is what the main concern of Indo-Latin American Chamber, to enforce it and convert it into FTA as soon as it is possible, to make it easier for businessmen in both the regions, both India and Latin American area.
How many chambers you have got, sir, into that?
See, this is the South India, we have the Western India, we have the Central India,
have
North,
North India
North
as well.
India, of course, we head office is there.
Yes.
Eastern India is lacking behind as on date.
Yes.
So in agri-marketing, focusing on GDP, right?
Yes.
So one PLI scheme is a production linkage.
Yes, I know that.
And government is giving 200 crores grant.
Yes.
Tamil Nadu Achi Masala is enjoyed.
Sorry?
Achi Masala is enjoyed.
Okay.
So
Uh-huh.
like that many people are there. Whether this forum is facilitated.
See, we as Indo-Latin American Chamber, we are there to support the trade, right? So as far as the PLA scheme is concerned, we are well aware of it, and we have on board close to good number of members, and we have supported a few of them to get benefits out of